Hey, welcome to this overview. So once you download this template, you will receive this sales performance OS that you see on screen. So here we have three different components at the top under the sales dashboard. The first is the salesperson. This represents how much each of the salesperson has made, how much sales they have made for each of the particular month. So here we can see the stats for December. So for each of the person, we can see four different stats. That is the sales that they have achieved for the month, the targeted sales that was set for them, and how much of the percentage of the targeted sales they have received, and if they have met the target or not. So for any sales that exceeds the targeted sales, you will see that you will get a target achieved status over here, and for any sales that is underneath the targeted sales, there is a target not achieved over here. So once this is done, you can move on to the sales channel. This represents the various sources from where we have made the sales. Again, this is also bifurcated as per different month. So we have got a website, the Instagram and YouTube. You can add in your own custom categories by clicking on new over here. I'll be explaining that in a while. So here it shows how much of sales you have achieved, again the targeted sales, the percentage of the sales and the status. After this, you have got a sales location. Now this represents where you have made all your sales to different locations and with the same characteristics that we discussed earlier. All of these three things are divided into different month, where the first is for the salesperson who are responsible for the sale. The second one is the different channels through which you are making the sale, and the third one is the different location from where we are making the sales. If you see on the left, we have a salesperson overview. So this shows how much of the total sales has been made by each of the individual people, and the sale units, like how many units they have sold throughout the time period, and the average sales, that is the sale per unit. So this is again given for each person. And if you click on this, you can see two different overview. That is a sales channel overview. The second shows the same information, total sales, the sale units and the average sales for each of the different sales channel. And if you go down below, you will see the sales location as well. So here you can see how much of sales you have made to each of the location, the average sales and the sale units. So this helps you track and give an overview of what is happening in your business all throughout. And here you can get the information as per different month. Now if you scroll down, we can quickly add the sales transactions over here. Now we have just added the transactions for the December month. So I'll just help you along of what is available over here. As you can see, the sales dashboard and the sale transactions are kind of similar. Here you have the salesperson, the sales channel, the sales location. In the sale transaction, you have the same information. So first you will be entering the transaction over here in this window, where you will be giving the date, the account details. This is the detail of the particular salesperson or whatever you are feeding over here. And then the sales detail. This is like what you are selling and any other information you want to add. Then we have the month, the year, and again we can feed in the salesperson detail under the salesperson window. And then you can also put in the client detail over here to whom you have made the sale. And then there is a sales code. So this is specific to each and every individual who is making the sale. So like for James Carter, we have put in JC_December_23. So James Carter, who has made the sale for the December month in the 2023 year. So you can put all this different sales code as per the different people who are making the sale. And then you can set in a sales target at the start of the month, which represents how much of individual sales you are assigning for individual person as a target at the start of the month. And then as you keep on making sales, you can enter the sales amount in the sale amount column. You can also add a sales unit over here as well. So this is what you need to feed into the salesperson window over here. And there is also a quick action button on the left, where there is sales target. So if you click on this button, it will automatically assign a target over here that you see over here. So every month at the start of the month, you can assign a sales target for each of the person who are responsible for the sale. And that goes similar for the channels as well as location. So you can also assign like how much of targeted sales you're looking for each individual channel, as well as how much of targeted sales you're looking for each individual location. So you can assign all this information at the start of the month. And then as the month goes by, you can feed in other details, like over here in the sales channel, we can feed in the sales channel information, the referral code, that is the sales channel code, which will be unique to each and every individual channel, as well as the month and the year. And then you can specify the sale amount and the referral target, whatever you are looking to achieve. And this is exactly similar for the sales location. For every location, at the start of the month, you can specify the location tag. This is like the unique tag that is relevant to the location, where you put the location name, the month and the year. Then you can specify a target and the sale amount. So as and when everything is proceeding, you can keep on feeding all this information. Now once you enter the details in the salesperson window, you just need to feed in the specific channel and the referral code as well as the target. everything else will automatically be updated for you. And obviously you need to feed the account details for each and every sales channel as well as the sales location as and when it appears. So on the left, as I was saying, there is quick action button. So for each of this individual window, you can click on this target button and it will help you assign a target for a particular month, where it will automatically come over here. And then once you start entering transactions, you can click on this add transaction to enter the transaction. So I'll just quickly show you a demonstration of what you can do from this. I'll just click on this sales target and it is automatically adding an information over here. You can just click on this and you can set your date over here. So let's say we're setting it for December 1, then you can start feeding the information as we discussed. So I'll just quickly delete this. And one thing to show over here is that you can instantly add a salesperson. If you click over here, you can see that it is popping up different salesperson who are responsible for the sales. If you want to make any changes, you can head over to this dashboard that is represented over here. So once you click on this, this will take you to the dashboard. You can enter and modify the details of the name or whatever you wish to have. So let's say I'm changing this to Emily Watson 1. So it can quickly change the information then and there. Okay, so I'm just changing it back. So once you head over to the database and go back to the sales performance OS on the top, we will see all the information. So you can instantly edit the details that you see over here. Like if you click on this detail, it will open up a new window where you can enter and modify the detail. You can even set your own cover image. I've just taken this image from internet and you can change your cover image for each of the individual salesperson. So similarly, you can also add in month for your individual sale. You can specify the name, the month name. So let's say it is March 2024, or let's say it is April 2024. So I'll just specify April and I will put the year. Now you have the ability to create a new month altogether. Okay, and similarly you can look for the years as well. Now salesperson, as I explained, can be edited, and for the client detail you can obviously enter the client name over here as well, and you can go to this dashboard to enter the client information in this dashboard. So if you click on this dashboard, there is a lot of information like the address, the city, the state, all these things you can enter once you're looking to use it. So we will also look at other options. So after this, you have the sales code, the sales target, and the sale amount. So for each and every individual view, you have to assign the specific code as per the relevant information. You have to put in the targeted amount, and then you can enter the sales amount, which will be updated from this first view that you have over here. So this is how you can use this dashboard, and this dashboard can be entirely customizable to your need. You can even change the currency of this entire dashboard to whatever currency you wish to have. So let's say you want to change this currency over here from dollar to some other currency. Just click on this. You can change this currency sign over here to your preferred currency and it will automatically update. And one more thing is that for all the amounts that you see over here, you can update the currency. If you click over here for all the amount, click on edit property and click on this number format to change the currency of your preferred currency choice. There is a lot of currencies available over here. This can be edited. And if you want to see more information, like for a particular year, like this is showing December 2023, as you add in more months underneath at the bottom, it will automatically update for more months. But if you want to see for a particular year, you can use this filter. So click on this filter, click on add filter and type in year. It will open up the year panel. Click on this and now you have a lot of different years coming over here. So you can select any particular year, it will automatically filter for those years over here. Okay, I'm going to quickly delete this filter. So I'll just click on this delete filter, and if you want to see for a particular month, you can type in month over here and it will show you all the different months over here. So you can use combination of any particular month or maybe month of all the months of a particular year. So I'll just, if I type 2023, it will reflect only 2023 and it will show all the month relevant to that. Okay, so you can use this filtration to even see more details of the performance of how your sales is going. So this is overall what you can get in this sales performance OS. I hope you have got all your explanation clear. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. If you want to have any further customization in this dashboard, you can always reach out to me and I'll help you along with that. Thank you.